Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in.
You guys voted on my Instagram for the Jane and Tarzan costume, so I wanted to do a DIY and show you guys a quick and easy way to do this couple's Halloween costume. I picked up this dress in the thrift store on sale, which is perfect because I can use it for two projects. The top I will be using for my costume, and the bottom I will be transforming into a mini skirt. To get started, I'm cutting the top off the dress. Now I'm going to turn it inside out and rip out all the red lining from the top. After trying the shirt on, I realized I wanted it a little bit shorter, so that's why I'm cutting it. As you can see, I am not cutting it into a straight line because I want the bottom to be raggedy. So now I'm just going to put a little bit more rips to the bottom and also to the shoulder of the top. So since I cut the zip out the back of the top, I will need a way to close it. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put like 3 holes onto each side, and then I'm just going to tie the back with a piece of a brown material in order for the top to close. Now I'm just going to cut some strings from the brown dress that I have because I don't want to use any more of the leopard material. So I'm just going to cut 3 of them so that I can tie the back of the shirt together. Now let's start on the skirt for me. So the skirt that Jane is wearing is pretty short, so I'm just going to cut out a mini skirt from that dress, and then I'm going to cut it out so that it has 2 strings on both sides to tie the skirt. Now I'm just going to use the rest of that material for the skirt for the male. Honestly, you do not have to measure it, or it doesn't have to be correct because it's supposed to look a little bit raggedy. So the skirt for the Tarzan costume has a V shape. So I'm just going back in and cutting V-shaped flaps for the front and the back of the skirt. Please comment below, let me know what you guys think of the finished product, and if you like what you see, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button. Thank you.